Recipes for ending a gallbladder attack.
Hello, my name is Mario Vino with Dr. Eaton's LLC in Miami, Florida, and my goal in this video is to share with you viable alternatives for dealing with gallbladder attacks permanently besides surgery. Having a gallbladder attack has been compared to giving birth or worse. Perhaps that is why most individuals simply opt out for surgery. So they may be put out of their misery quickly without realizing the long-term consequences of their choices. The gallbladder serves a purpose. Think about it. Why would God give you an organ if you wouldn't need it? Medical studies show that up to 50% of individuals that have had their gallbladders removed come back to their surgeons with the same or worse painful symptoms as before their surgery. So first up is how to recognize gallbladder symptoms. Gallbladder pain is characterized as a dull or sharp pain in the abdomen underneath the right rib cage. The pain is often accompanied with referred pain between the top or the right shoulder blade, or between the two both shoulder blades. The pain is often described as a crawling sensation that starts from the right front rib cage, crawls all the way to the back. Sometimes the pain can appear in the chest area and thus be confused with a heart attack. Other indicators may include bloating, belching, indigestion, and intolerance to fats and greasy fatty foods. Another common symptom is nausea and vomiting. Also, pain with breathing. All of the above gallbladder symptoms are often felt after meals or at nighttime. So what do? Thank God, there are home remedies that can help you manage the pain or diminish the symptoms. A simple, natural recipe for minimizing or ending gallbladder attack is to mix 1 to 3 tablespoons of unpasteurized apple cider vinegar with 10 to 12 ounces of apple juice and drink every 2 hours. A second recipe is to mix the juice of 1 lemon with some grated beets and add to that 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil. Mix well. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture every half an hour until the pain subsides, or until the following day, or until the pain goes away. It is important to realize though that these methods only help manage the symptoms. If you desire a more permanent solution, you must deal with the cause, the gallstones. Gallstones and liver congestion can be dissolved. The Pulvarex protocol is a pain elimination program and a gallstone dissolution plus a removal protocol with a long-standing track record of success. It is able to stop a gallbladder attack within hours after taking just 1 pill. It is also able to release years worth of toxic waste. Please visit our website at dreaton.com for more information on this subject. Thank you.